Notion versus Mural. Which collaboration tool is right for you? Hello, hope you're doing good. In today's tutorial, we'll be comparing Notion and Mural, two popular tools for collaboration and organization. Whether you're managing projects, brainstorming ideas, or streamlining workflows, this comparison will help you decide which platform suits your needs best. Now, let's dive in. What is Notion? Notion is an all-in-one workspace tool designed for task management, note-taking, and collaboration. It allows teams and individuals to create customizable pages and databases to manage workflows, track projects, and organize information in one place. Notion is widely used for its flexibility and user-friendly design. On the other hand, what is Mural? Mural is a visual collaboration platform that helps teams brainstorm, plan, and collaborate using digital whiteboards. It's ideal for remote teams looking to visualize ideas, hold interactive workshops, and streamline collaborative processes. Now, let's explore some key differences. For example, the main focus of Mural, it specializes in visual collaboration, emphasizing interactive whiteboarding and brainstorming, while on the other hand, Notion focuses on organization, task management, offering tools like databases, Kanban boards, and rich text editing. And if we were to explore their features, when it comes onto Notion, it includes project tracking, note-taking, templates, and integrations with popular apps like Slack and Google Drive. While Mural offers real-time collaboration tools, pre-built templates for brainstorming and workshops, and sticky note style interactions. And if we were to look at their target audience, I would say Mural is best for remote teams, designers, and facilitators who need a creative space for brainstorming and visual planning. While on the other hand, I would recommend Notion as ideal for teams, freelancers, and individuals managing projects, documents, and workflows. And if we were to compare them via ease of use, Notion has a moderate learning curve due to its customizable structure, but it's intuitive for long-term use. On the other hand, Mural is easy to set up, its drag-and-drop interface, and focus on visual collaboration. Now, let's look at their pricing. With Notion, you can get started for completely free, and their monthly plan begins at $12 and goes up to $18. With Mural, you can also get started for free, and then their monthly plan begins at $9 and it goes up to $17. In conclusion, which one should you choose? I would recommend you choose Mural if you need a visual collaboration platform for brainstorming, workshops, or interactive team sessions. And on the other hand, I would recommend Notion if you are looking for an all-in-one tool to organize tasks, manage projects, and streamline workflows. Hope you found this comparison helpful. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.